Today we were launching the Digital Badge Symposium, which was showcasing our Digital Badge research project. Digital badges represent a new learning technology. They will provide proof of an individual's skills and competencies that they have been assessed on as part of a training programme. And for an employer, that employer will be able to go online, click on that individual's digital badge, and they'll be able to verify exactly what they learned and the skills and the competencies that they were tested on and that they have achieved.
I think we need to step back first of all and look at the major challenges confronting businesses and confronting workers. The first, of course, is talent and how we'll supply talent to enable further growth and to enhance our prosperity here in this country. There's also the major concern around the productivity and the innovation in our small businesses and how we might address that. And thirdly, the question of the workers themselves and how we might all benefit from new opportunities. When you take all of these things together, what it calls for is a major uplift in the intensity of lifelong learning, the intensity of talent development, and the intensity of upskilling. And digital badges are a major enabler of all of this.
The world is changing fast. If we don't continue to educate ourselves as small businesses, we'll be tomorrow's dinosaurs. As an SME, for us sending people on a course that has a proper accreditation like a digital badge, it means that they've actually gained something more from the company than just employment for a period of time. For me, sending somebody off for the day, I know that they're going to bring back some value and that they're going to get personal value in the course as well. So if we're giving our staff more, they're a winner when they leave us, that they carry the badge with them into the future.
So there's a question that each of us asks before we do anything. What's in it for me? And it's actually even more relevant in the context of training. So I think the digital badging piece here can answer that question. I'm going to get something that's going to make me a better version of me, and I'm going to get a credential. So I get two wins out of it, and ultimately allows me to do my job a little bit easier than I would have before.
The Digital Badge initiative is very important for Irish enterprise, particularly at this stage where we're seeing people move to more blended learning, and digital badges offers people a way to embrace education, but not at an intensive level such as a certificate, which might take a year, or a diploma or a master's, which might take 2 or 3 years. So it's really offering people in industry the first step in continuing their professional development, but having something credible and validated to show to their employer when they're finished.
I think digital badges have the potential to be transformational in the world of upskilling and the world of lifelong learning. Why? Because they provide a unique record of both your formal and your informal learning that you've taken throughout your career. And at a time when upskilling, lifelong learning and training needs to be so intense, the requirement to have something like a digital badge to demonstrate the learning journey that you are on, what you have learned, how your career has developed, but also what the development areas might be, will be a hugely powerful tool both for workers and for employers going forward.